I also stand to support the Honorable Member from Kisii for coming up with this bill. Madam Speaker, we have got so many gaps when it comes to sexual offenses. Madam Speaker, just as my colleague has just said here right now, there are so many times when a victim appears to the police station, and probably maybe you have changed, and it was just good that you changed because maybe the clothes you're putting on were already torn. But you are being told that you needed to come as you were, Madam Speaker. And this is so embarrassing because there is no way you can go to the police station with the clothes that are tattered just because you want to prove a point that actually your clothes were torn. So, Madam Speaker, I support this bill by Honorable Donya. And as I just want to remember, there is a clip that was moving around, I think 2-3 years ago from Bomet, where a girl was being raped by 7 boys, and that case did not go anywhere. And the reason was, as I was following up, I was told, Madam Speaker, that the lady did not come up to complain, but actually this is something that went viral, and I thought it was just good that action was taken against these victims, the perpetrators that were doing that. But unfortunately, it had to stop there because nobody picked up the case, Madam Speaker. I understand that when we have a murder case, usually it is now the state and the murderer. But when it comes to rape cases, it is upon the victim to report and decide if he's continuing with the case or the case is going to stop there, Madam Speaker. How I wish that we could change the law and take it upon the government that when somebody has been raped or assaulted or defiled, the case is taken by state so that it is upon them to follow up with the case and leave the victim free, so that we get in touch with these people, make sure that the perpetrators have been arraigned in court and even jailed for the cases that they do. Madam Speaker, it is so unfortunate that nowadays when someone has been arrested with a case of defilement or rape case, it is a case that is bailable. And these people are arraigned to court, they stay there for a few days, they are released from prison, they go out there and commit some more, they cause more harm than what we expected, Madam Speaker. We also need to come up with laws that will keep these people there because they are very dangerous to the community and to the society. Because most of the time when they come out, they again come and interfere with the evidences, or they come and speak to the victims, agree at home that they end this case. So we really need to be very tough on this thing and create awareness so that people don't feel victimized or stigmatized when they are the ones who have been raped, or maybe it is a case within the family. Because most of the time, people wouldn't wish to continue with such kind of cases just because they feel like they will be stigmatized as a family. So we need to create more awareness to the people. They should understand that it is not their making that they have been raped, but it is something that has happened which is wrong, and the